You can open your card, honey.
Who's it from? It's from Grandma Laura. Here.
Can you open it? See what it is? What it says? Ooh, open. Ooh.
Rip the envelope off.
Cool.
I got a Halloween one.
Cool.
Did you want to read inside?
See, I don't know how to read, Dad.
I don't know how to read. I'm looking.
It says, frightful fun and ghoulish good time this Halloween. Grandma Laura and Grandpa Bill.
Say thank you.
And then this is from Goofy Grandma and Grandpa.
And you have to make sure you show baby sis.
Wow, what are these?
Those are cool toys.
Wow, what are they? It's done now.
That's a card for you.
That's for me.
Do you want to open it? And that's a card for baby sis.
Oh,
So open yours first, honey.
okay, I will.
Nice
my gosh.
job.
Oh my gosh. What is it? Wow. What is this? What is this?
It says, love Goofy Grandma and Papa.
Ooh, what is this? Basis doesn't know how to open this.
No, so you have
so
to
what
do
are
it.
you going to do?
I'm gonna open it.
Oh, okay.
That's because Basis is too little to open it.
You got to show her though, okay?
But what's this here?
You got it? Nope, here's her card.
There it is. What's inside?
Oh, baby sis is watching you like a hawk.
Okay, Basis. Can you want to listen? You want to love it? Or just now let's see what it
It
says.
says, happy first Halloween.
Better show baby sis.
It has a happy Halloween.
Who's it from?
I don't know.
It's from Goofy Grandma too and Papa. Here, we'll put this in your college fund.
Okay.
You and sisters now.
Wow, big sister. You know, go to stuff to me. What's inside here?
I don't know.
What's the
Hey, you didn't open baby sister's present.
Oh, what?
It was this one.
Oh,
It was that one right there.
okay.
Uh-oh.
Wow.
What is it?
It's
Show baby sis so she can see him.
new clothes.
Show him to baby sis. What's that?
It's a bib.
Oh, good job, big sis.
Now I'm going to open my present.
Okay.
Did you show her her shirt?
Oh, okay. Sure.
It says Mommy's Little Pumpkin.
Mommy's so funny.
Cute.
Wow, and now I have to open my package. Present. Candy.
Cool. These are stamps, honey. Those will be fun. Those will be fun for you.
Yeah. What's inside this present? Inside. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. What is them?
That's like a little ping pong ball thing. I'll show you how to use it.
What?
That. I'll show you later, okay?
Wow.
You better hide
Ooh.
that candy from Mommy.
That's candy.
Oh, it's going to go right there. Wow, what's inside? That's candy? Wow, these are all cool. These candies. And what's inside this? What is inside it? Inside it. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.
What is it?
What
Cool.
are they, Dad?
Oh, they're little drawy things.
Oh,
Did you show baby sis? She looks interested.
look. That's my baby.
That's mine, baby sis.
No, what's
Hi, baby sister.
inside
Hi,
this one?
honey. Hi.
Open it.
You get excited?
Take it out.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Wow. 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 This is gonna be cool. Ooh.
What is that? That's a sticker book, honey.
Look at all these stickers.
Cool. Ooh, scary witch.
Where?
Right there in the corner.
Wow. Look, a skeleton.
Cool.
It's the whole skeleton. Wow. These stickers. Ooh. Oh.
Say thank you, Grandma Laura.
Thank you, Grandma Laura.
Thank you, Goofy Grandma.
Thank you, Goofy Grandma.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
See you at Christmas time.
Wow, I can eat.
Baby sister. Baby sister. Emma. Emma. Hi, honey.
Let's look at this together. Oh, look. It's a kitty. Oh, meow.